Okay, ito na. Okay.
Savor this moment. Alex Ayala.
Take the trophy, Alex. Take the trophy.
The Philippines.
The gold Badala Cup trophy.
Good afternoon.
Ano kaya sasabihin niya?
Oh my gosh, where do I start? First of all, of course, first and congratulations for an amazing week, and you've had an amazing season.
Okay, she's just congratulating her opponent. Baka ma-copyright kasi tayo kaya pinapatay ko ha. Pero we'll show the good parts.
People I want to thank, and at the top of that list is my family, my mom, my dad, my brother, my team, Joanne over there.
Okay.
Yuke and Sandro, thank you guys.
Ayun, si Dean Castillejo. Dun.
They're my inner circle. They're the ones who
Okay.
medical staff here and the WTA medical staff and the tournament medical staff for helping me throughout the week. I want to thank the tournament, Mark, and the sponsors, Mubadala, for such an accommodating week, an amazing tournament, and
she's
moving the final to Monday.
thanking the organization. Of course, we're waiting for her when she addresses the crowd. Ito na.
To all my supporters, thank you guys.
Chant naman, Alex.
So thank you to
Wala
all
man
my
ng
supporters,
Alex,
especially the Filipino community here in DC and back home and wherever you are in the world. I really, guys, I feel all the love. Maraming salamat, mga kababayan. Maraming. Before the final yesterday, actually, I got so many messages, sweet messages from my family and from my friends who are on tour or wherever else on the world. And, I thought to myself, I feel so much love. So standing here in the middle of all this love, my first chance at the title, knowing it won't be my last, and already having achieved
knowing it won't be her last.
Career, I knew that whatever would have happened after this match, it would have already been a win for me. So thank you, everybody, and I really look forward to seeing you guys again.
All right. Yes. Bagay na bagay sa kanya. Ano yun? Okay. May
Impressive tennis player, but she's a very impressive person as well. Incredible speech, I've got to say, from both players.
Ay, sa wakas.
But Alexandra Ayala was absolutely majestic today. A 9th top 10 win of her career, a 7th this season. She's beaten the...
Anyway, that's it. That's the match. We got our first champion. Diba? Sana magkaroon ng kasunod ng mga iba pang Alex Ayala because for now we will have the pleasure of watching her journey. Diba? Kasi ang bata niya, this is gonna be a long career. Hopefully hindi siya magkaroon ng injuries in the future. Okay? Grabe.
But it all went quite quickly, didn't it, in the second set? Where
they're just
she
closing
kept
the
herself out in
ceremony.
front.
Okay. Naiwan si Alex. Okay, mga boss.
Come back for the men's singles final right away.
Anyway,
And then
that's it.
break, and then she didn't look back at all.
That's it. It was a very strong performance. This is definitely Alex Ayala's strongest performance in all of the tournaments kasi siya yung nanalo di ba? And considering the the women she beat in this tournament, di ba? Naomi Osaka, si ano na pangalan? Di ko kasi mabanggit yung ibang pangalan di ba? Kasi ang hirap nilang banggitin. So, tapos ito si Pegula, who was the defending champion last year, and these are like kumbaga parang kalibre to ni na nagtatatalon si Alex. Nagtatatalon si Alex ay hindi natin nakita.
But it seemed to, in a way, to help Ayala.
Inspirational stuff.
And above all that, I think Alex Ayala is just
temperaments there.
A pleasure to watch. Kasi sobrang niya, napaka-pleasant niyang tingnan, maganda siya, mabait siya, matalino siya, di ba? and she's
also,
here representing the
a little
Philippines
footnote is that
to the
Ayala,
world in the best
by
possible
calculation,
way.
is going to enter the top
Diba? Hindi
20.
nga sanay yung mga Pilipino eh. Diba? Hindi nga sanay yung mga Pilipino na may ganyang representante ang Pilipinas sa mundo. 'Di ba? Lahat laging may kasiraan. Si Manny Pacquiao nga, 'di ba? 'Di ba? As unbelievable Manny Pacquiao's achievements were, meron pa ring hater eh. And even Alex Ayala gets some haters too. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng katangahan ng meron yung mga haters ni Alex Ayala. But they do exist. And alam mo, naisip ko na lang kung bakit. It's because we're just so sanay na lang talaga yung mga Pilipino na na puro negatibo yung naririnig sa sarili nating bakod, sa ibang bansa, pag nagkakalat ng mga Pinoy, 'di ba? Napaka-rare nung mga panalo, 'di ba? And Alex Ayala is
Certainly easy
giving
well,
us
it's not easy to predict, but
every
the game
week,
and the temperament
'di ba?
she has,
Every week meron siyang
Lucy, how far do you
tinatalo
think she
na
can go?
legend. Every week meron
Sky's
siyang
the limit, isn't it? Really for her. I mean, it's going to be interesting just to follow
bringing
the rest of this year.
Filipino at the forefront ng mundo in a
But if you
world-class fashion.
Look through her achievements,
At
how
parang
good
yung
she was as a junior, how
sanay
quick
sa
she's made that
eto naisip ko na lang to
transition as a
yung
pro.
mga sanay na, 'di ba? Look at that.
I feel that she's going to be achieving a lot more
'Di
over
ba?
the years.
Yung mga Pilipino
And
na hindi
brilliant for the
sanay
sport
na
as well.
nakakarinig
Something
ng
Regula
maganda mula
mentioned,
sa atin.
you know,
Nag-short
the
circuit
fans
ang
that
mga
are
utak.
following her.
'Di ba? Kasi puro dito. Wala na nga tayong sinabi to pag sa mga
a champion like this,
pag
that would make
sa mga sa Facebook, 'di ba, mga tungkol sa Pilipinas, puro pambabash ang ng sa Pilipinas galing sa Pinoy, 'di ba? Crocodile, 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 'di ba? Ganun ng mga comments ng Pinoy eh. And all of a sudden, there's Alex Ayala showing everybody that Filipinos could be awesome too, 'di ba? Could be not just one of the best but the best in the world, 'di ba? Eto, nag-fashion shoot
Won't
pa.
be her immediate aim. Immediate aim is going to
Nag-fashion
be to keep
shoot
improving.
pa ang
But
Alex.
she does go up to 14th on the race
Ang
list.
gandahan ni Alex Ayala.
In
Grabe
the
naman yung mga
world
nasa likod,
rankings.
di man lang nakipost.
Well, over 2 days, Lucy, but goodness
Anyway,
me, what a final. 1
photo
hour
shoot pa
45.
si
And
Alex.
Ayala was just different level.
That was a historic win for sa ating kababayan sa mutya ng Pilipinas. Para sa akin si Alex Ayala ang tunay na mutya ng Pinas.